law is implementation. Because you have a lot of laws in Kenya. Actually, if you look at femicide, it's covered under the penal code, right? So the issue is, how fast are we able to investigate these matters, and how fast are they taken to court and prosecuted, and actually somebody convicted? That is what we're supposed to be dealing with. If you're talking about FGM, how many of these people, perpetrators, are taken to court? What is the conviction rate? These are the things we're supposed to be talking now. So if you have that, then ideally most of these cases would reduce, right? But if you have cases where it happens every day, like I come from Migori County, Kuria is an area which is notorious for FGM. It continues. I've been hearing this since I was a child, now I'm a grown-up, it's still happening. So what's the problem? I think for me, let's crack the whip, let these people go to prison. That is my suggestion. Thank you.
All right, Wakili, quickly, before we go for a break. Wakili, Dennis, yes. And now the position of FIDA as well.
So, thank you so much. On the conversation of these aspects of, do we have enough laws? What is their impact? I remember FIDA Kenya has done at least 2 national pressers this year. And the call to all stakeholders, all justice sector actors was that we need action. We just don't need conversation, we need action. And our action is not coming from the point of, these are the numbers that we have that has happened, and thus we just need to be told that something is happening. No. Our conversation is coming from the point of, when we say we have a statistics, like I believe you're aware the National Police Service through the DCI gave a presser that we have 97 actual victims in a period of 3 months. When you say we have this 97, the question would be, if we disaggregate the data, what are the steps that were made towards investigation? Are there those that are pending investigation? And are there those that, no matter how much investigation has been done, there has been a dead end? Because when we put actual human faces behind all this, remember, as far as the victims are concerned, there are families they've left behind. So we can always converse on the law, but we may leave out that there are families that are also grieving. For them, this is not a statistic. This is a family member that was lost. We always have an opportunity every year to have 16 days of activism. And FIDA Kenya always engages in this through community forums, through legal aid. I believe we've been able to partner even with my colleague Diana Kamande there. And it's been a conversation we have at the grassroots level from this particular point. How are we changing the society's mindset towards gender-based violence? How are we switching it from it being a gender war? This time it's women not catered for, the next time it's men not catered for. How are we just going back to everyone has a value? We need to protect our women. We need to protect our girls. How do we need to really legislate that we need to value life?
Fair enough. Wakili, we will be coming back to you shortly, and I think the conversation is bigger than the time.